Have you ever shopped around for a solid gold piece of jewelry and balked at the price? Maybe something really trendy was out that you really wanted but didn't want to spend the money? Gold-plated jewelry is always an option. Hi, I'm Christine with BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about gold-plated jewelry. So first of all, what is gold-plated jewelry? Gold-plated jewelry is made up of a base metal, and then it's covered and plated with a thin layer of real gold. Gold-plated jewelry only contains a small amount of gold, therefore it's much more affordable. But a well-crafted piece can really look like the real thing. Gold-plated jewelry does not retain its value over time, unlike fine jewelry. Also, in a matter of time, it's going to tarnish. So tarnishing happens when the thin layer of gold wears off the outside of the piece of jewelry. How long before gold-plated jewelry begins to tarnish? Well, that depends on the piece, how often you wear it, and the quality of the plating itself. Although tarnishing of your gold-plated jewelry is inevitable, there are a few tricks that you can slow down the process. Number one, you always want to keep your jewelry clean. You want to use just a cloth to wipe it off. You never want to expose them to chemicals. That includes even shampoos, cleaning products, swimming in a pool. And also you want to store your jewelry appropriately. And by appropriately, I mean that you don't want it to be touching anything else. So a jewelry box is always good because it keeps your pieces separate. Keep in mind, if this piece is one of your favorites and tarnishing happens, you can always take it to a jewelry store and have it replated. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.